Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a new open source model. This is a Chinese model, and this is developed by Meituan. And you will be surprised to know that they are a Chinese food delivery company. They have decided to unveil an open source model to the open source community. It has 560 billion total parameters and a context window of 132,000. It has 27 billion active parameters, and it's a reasoning model. So, today, we are going to test it. Based on this testing table, we are going to give it 3 questions and see how it does. The first question will be, generate a modern-looking landing page for an e-commerce website. We are going to see if it passes or fails this test, and we are going to give it a rating based on its result. The second question will be generate a to-do list application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The same rule applies here. And lastly, the question will be generate a web-based operating system. So let's take a look at all of the tests. I have already given them the prompts, and I already have gathered the results. So now let's take a look at the first result. This is an e-commerce landing page, and I gave the exact same prompt I showed you earlier. The result is quite good, and the design looks pretty well. There are 5 sections here: home, products, features, customer reviews, and a CTA section. I liked the design of the footer. The layout is good, and the website is fully responsive too. Although the images are not really working here, I am sure the final version would be amazing with actual images and some tweaks. Overall, I would give this a pass, with a solid rating of 7 out of 10. It has done a good job in the design, and the responsiveness is good too. Giving it more detailed and solid prompts will result in better and accurate results. Next, the second test, creating a to-do list app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It works well. Inputs, marking, and deleting all function smoothly. But the UX could be better. Overall, it's a simple, standard result that proves better prompts yield better outcomes. I'd rate it 6 out of 10. Functional, but not impressive. Finally, let's move on to the final test. This took some time because the code it generated was quite long. The task was to create a browser-based operating system, which I told it to create using HTML, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, the result looks very nice, with a good background wallpaper and proper designed relevant icons. Clicking on the icons opens the respective tab. Here, the Files tab has opened properly, and it is resizable and minimizable. The Terminal and the Notes tab work fine too. I liked the design of the terminal, as it looks like a real terminal in an operating system. The commands work properly too. I like the fact that it used an actual wallpaper image for the background. The Start menu works too, but the taskbar doesn't really seem to properly function. Overall, this is a solid 8 out of 10. Impressive design and proper functionality. And by far, it's the best result it has given in these 3 tests. So, in conclusion, this model is great for daily use, considering that it's a free and open source model available on OpenRouter. It has good sense of UI design and is reliable in programming tasks. You can use this model via KiloCode, which provides $20 of free credits after signing up, or use Klein by using your API key from the OpenRouter keys, which you can generate one by yourself. I hope that Meituan comes up with upgrades and new models so that free users like me can generate quality code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.